Starlight Day. Our rocket won't fly.
Let me take a look.
I hope you can help us. We have tried everything to get it going.
We tried giggles.
We tried farts.
We tried music.
Wheels on the rocket go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Nothing has worked.
I think I found the problem.
Yay!
There's a blockage in the foofer valve.
Ah, the foofer valve.
Woohoo!
You're right to go now.
Oh, we're gonna make it to Starlight Day!
Yes!
You too can support Starlight Day at your local Repco Authorised Service Centre.